Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset app preferences in XIAOMI Redmi Note 9. First you need to open setting on your phone, go to setting, and here we must find the apps and select it. Here click on the manage apps and then find the three dots on top right of your screen and click on it. Here find the reset app preferences. Click on it. Then we can reset all preferences for disabled apps notification, default apps, background data for apps, and you will not lose any app data. And click on the reset apps button, and it's all. Goodbye.